Removing the supply hose. The supply hose is the hose that goes from the reservoir that supplies oil to the pump. And to change that, you remove the retaining clip, pull off the hose. You remove the retaining clip here on the reservoir as well, remove the hose. And then there are 3 clips underneath that I will show you. There are 1 clip here with an 8mm socket and 1 clip here also with the 8mm. And if you loosen that, don't take it fully out, you can just pull the hose from the clip. Also there's a clip up here that you can just pull out, and then it's pretty much loose. There are some wires that are strapped on the hose, so you need to clip off them first. On mine it's the only one, and then it's out. Pretty easy. So release the clip, and the hose should now just come off. Like so. This. Turn it around, there's a plastic clip up here. And that's loose. And it's just a reservoir. Let's get it. Nej.
De är bak sig, kan ju stå ut. Får du ta den på andre siden av slangen her nå, så kan den sånn som du gjør nå. Der, ja.
Ja.
Jeg ser nesten litt å lyse på det.
Nej. Woohoo! See if they stuck. Det såg ju väldigt fint ut. gjennom byttet uansett.
Ja, det vi vil få det på er jo i skjøten der.
Mm.